All right, good morning, everybody. We are here at our house for the week. Finally, 2 days to get here, but it's a beautiful little house. We'll show you around outside here in a little while. We got everybody making breakfast. Something pretty funny. We did an online Walmart order to where we didn't have to shop and waste time when we got here. And Wonder Bread ordered for us and screwed up the order for bananas. So we ended up supposed to have 6 bananas total. And here's what we got.
6 bunches.
That is 6 bunches at 10.68 pounds of bananas. There were, I counted 29 bananas. So we're gonna be healthy. We won't have leg cramps and do that much. So we're gonna be incorporating bananas into a lot of meals. Just thought that was pretty funny. Here's our morning with our coffee. We got up real early, about 6 a.m. here. We got Spaceballs on the TV. Here's our view. You can see that farthest mountain out there does have snow on it. That's pretty cool. All right, guys, we got a big day today. We'll see you out there. All right, guys, we are here, Williams, Arizona. We are going to have an amazing day today. You'll find out well, I'm sure you found out reading the title where we're going, but you'll see where we're going here in just a minute. The kids are not aware, so a lot of stuff on this trip is going to be surprises. We got this today. We have another monster surprise tomorrow. If it works out, we will see. Thursday?
Thursday's our other big day.
Thursday's our other big day. Wednesday we will have a down day, but we'll be doing something. It won't really be down, it's just not planned. So, all right, guys, we are heading to our first destination of the day, and we will see you there. Back in the mask, guys. Here we are. We are getting on the Grand Canyon Railway. Here we go. It's gonna be amazing. Let's do it. All right, guys, we're on board. Woo! Heading to the Grand Canyon. What do you guys think about that?
Woo! Amazing! Woo! First one's on the seat.
Alright, guys, on train, we're in our seat. We are about to leave the train station. We got people packing up their stuff, getting ready. Very excited, heading to the Grand Canyon today. This is the first of the biggest surprises for the kids on this trip. Tomorrow there's one that might be even bigger, but we'll see. I don't know. What do you think?
Maybe.
Yeah? You having a good time?
Yeah.
How you like Arizona?
I love it. The temperature is perfect, and so far I've loved it.
Yeah, how do you like the mountains? Are they tiny?
Huge.
Huge? Alright. Here we go. Woo! Alright, guys, we are now moving, heading to the Grand Canyon. A little bit of a reflection on this side, so we're going to probably video on the other side more. So far, wildlife. We saw our first wildlife of this whole trip, other than the weirdo people around here. We saw a whole bunch of prairie dogs when we were leaving. We saw 2 cowboys on horseback, and I'm sure we're going to see them later.
Hey, Snack Hut.
Hi.
What do you think so far?
I love it.
Hey, Charles.
Hi.
What do you think of it so far?
I love it.
Oh, good.
Do you?
Yeah, it's fried.
Really? What is it?
Fried rabbit.
Himalayan fried rabbit? Well, yeah, it's because I found Himalayan on the side of the road. How's everybody doing?
to the Grand Canyon. Looks like it's going to be a packed house today as usual. We're passing the hotel here. As soon as we stop, we'll be off the train. Get ready, guys. It's going to be amazing. Welcome to the South Rim. Oh my goodness. Look at this, guys.
I didn't know it was this big.
It's the grandest of all. Alright guys, this place is absolutely amazing, as you know. And look at this out here past us. Just non-stop. Guys, if you don't like heights, definitely not the place for you. You can see there is no wall here. You're just standing on the edge. Good thing we didn't bring 3 kids with us. Oh wait, guys, this is so beautiful. I asked Talls if this was his new favorite national park. He said he really wasn't sure. We do love our Smoky Mountains, but it's just so much different. I mean, look at that though. There's hiking for days out here too. Alright, Dolls. How do you like the Grand Canyon?
I love it.
Yeah? What's your favorite
Beautiful.
part? What's your favorite part of it?
My favorite part is, I don't know.
It's just amazing.
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna keep on hiking. Alright, how do you like the Grand Canyon?
It's amazing. It's a lot better than I expected.
Yeah? What do you like the most about it?
Just like being able to see all the way down there.
Yeah?
It's miles deep.
Pretty darn amazing. How do you like the Grand Canyon?
I love it.
Yeah? What's your favorite part?
I really like that mountain where the trees are.
Okay.
And I really like the castle over there.
The castle? Yeah, okay. Alright, well, glad you came. Alright, wife, happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary!
What's your favorite part?
It's just gorgeous. It's breathtaking. but I really want to go hike the rim.
Alright guys, we are back on the train. Should be some excitement on this train on the way back, so let's wait and see what happens.
But I never saw the good side of the city till I hitched a ride on the Riverboat Creek. Big wheel keep on turning, up I'm climbing it. Take it easy.
Shoot. We're all gonna die. Oh my gosh.
Boo!
We're getting up there.
Dude, you're gonna,
Someone's about to get RKO'd.
I thought you were gonna be in special forces. You can't hide if the cowboy gets on the train.
That's what I said.
You okay?
Come on, get it out! Come on, get it out! Come on, let me hold out. Don't you be hiding. Where you hiding? What do you mean you ain't got none? Come on!
Take her. Take her.
I'll take that.
You won't shoot me? Take her. Take her.
No, but I'll pistol whip you and throw you on the train. Come on, get it out!
Oh, thank you.
Half a bottle for half a man. I know you're half as fast, but this one's a little troublemaker. Come on, get it out of... Oh, here you go. Right.
Alright guys, we are done at the Grand Canyon. We just took the train back to the depot. Something horrible happened on the ride, guys. What happened?
We got robbed.
It was insane. Robbed at gunpoint. They took all our money. We are back in Williams. We're going to go in here. We're going to eat some Mexican food at the Williams
Route 66 Corral.
Route 66 Corral. Supposed to be great Mexican food, which if you're out here, it's got to be good. We're going to have to do a little dine and dashing though, since they stole our wallets. Guys, it was a great day though before that happened. All right guys, we're having a great time out here. It took us a couple days to get in our rhythm, but we are there. Tomorrow's going to be another epic day. So excited. The kids have no idea what we're doing, so stay tuned for the next video. It'll be coming up next right after this one, and it's going to be amazing. So all right guys, if you haven't yet, please click that subscribe button, click that bell for notification for upcoming videos. Like I said, we're out here in Arizona, so it's about to get crazy. All right guys, for now, S&T, peace out.